The stars are coming to life. That's what rumors are saying, because all the stars in the skies seem to be getting brighter. They have also started vibrating, and some even started moving around in a particular way. This has started about 10 minutes ago, and this is visible for the entire world. What causes the stars in the sky to move around is unknown at this time. However, NASA will be looking into the situation for any information related to this. For right now, this is not posing a threat to human life at this time, and residents across the United States should continue what they are doing and enjoy a long night of rest. We have no more information to give out at this time. This is the Emergency News Network saying, "Good night, America." We have received new information about the stars in the sky, and already this situation is very concerning. NASA is still trying to figure out what the cause of the stars vibrating and moving around, but what NASA knows is that all the stars are starting to turn into a blood red color. The cause of this is also unknown, but NASA and the United States government are very concerned about this. This is not posing a harmful threat to humanity at this time, but this is very likely to change in the near future. As such, you are advised to stay indoors for the night. If you are currently outside, driving somewhere or camping, head indoors as soon as possible. If the stars do indeed begin to pose a threat to human life, being outside is the last place you want to be at right now. However, the stars in the sky are not posing any threat as of right now, even though they are turning into a blood red color. This is a shelter-in-place warning, as these stars have so much potential of posing a threat to human life. It is unknown what is expected to occur. However, residents across the United States should prepare for any sudden changes that may occur. Please, stand by and await further information. We have received new information about the stars in the sky. As of right now, NASA is still trying to figure out what the cause of the stars vibrating and moving around, but what NASA knows is that all the stars are starting to increase in size. All the stars in the sky have finished turning red, and are now beginning to slightly enlarge. The cause of this is also unknown, but NASA and the United States government are very concerned about this. This is still not posing a harmful threat to humanity at this time, but this is very likely to change in the near future. NASA is urging all residents across the United States to stay indoors for the remainder of the night. If you are currently outside, driving somewhere or camping, head indoors as soon as possible no matter how far away you are home. If you have family at home and you're not with them, hide in the closest shelter you can find and contact your family that you won't be coming home for tonight. The stars have so much potential of posing a threat to human life. It is unknown what is expected to occur. However, residents across the United States should prepare for any sudden changes that may occur. The stars in the sky are now very easy to see, as they all look like large dots in the sky, shining a bright, blood-red color. NASA believes that something is causing the stars to turn red and enlarge. They are not confirming this yet, as nobody really knows for sure the cause of this phenomenon. We have no more information about the situation at this time, but civil authorities will continue to investigate for more information and possible updates. We are praying that this will be the only night this phenomenon ever occurs, because this is very concerning for the nations across the world. Please, stand by and await further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NASA. Unfortunately, the stars in the sky are now beginning to pose a threat to all life. This is a global emergency. Just now, all the stars in the sky started shooting laser beams directly towards the planet. This is causing extreme damage to the entire world, and especially to the Earth's crust. It is possible where these beams could cause the Earth's crust to completely collapse into itself. As such, you are advised to say your final goodbyes. If the stars are indeed about to destroy the planet, the human race simply cannot survive such an event, as time is very limited at this time. The entire world could end in the next minute for all we know. Rely on your own terms for death, as this should be based on your decision and not the decision of others. This broadcast will end with one last playing of the national anthem. Please stand by, as we await the final activation of the emergency alert system.